Peppermint. Today we are talking about peppermint. Peppermint is one of the most useful and beloved essential oils. That's why so many of us use it. Refreshing. Peppermint is refreshing, cooling, uplifting, and restoring. Peppermint has a variety of therapeutic uses. Used extensively in both Eastern and Western medicine for everything from indigestion to diarrhea, headaches to tired feet, and toothache to cramps. Peppermint is also a big favorite among the food industry and can be found as a flavoring agent in gums, candy, ice cream, and pastries. However, peppermint really shines in aromatherapy, as its fresh, comforting scent soothes and relieves all sorts of ailments, both mental and physical. Therapeutic uses for peppermint: apathy, arthritis, asthma, bad breath, back pain, bowel disorder, bronchitis, colds and flu, coughs, cramps, faintness, fatigue, flatulence, digestive problems, headaches, mental exhaustion, migraine, mouth or gum infections, muscular pain, nausea, poor circulation, sinus congestion, shock, sunburn, tired feet, travel sickness, vertigo. These are all the therapeutic uses for peppermint. The ways you can use peppermint essential oil. Essential oil applications. For apathy, fatigue, and mental exhaustion, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. For asthma, bronchitis, coughs, and sinus congestion, use 2 to 3 drops in a steam inhalation. Can also be used in a diffuser. For bad breath and mouth or gum infection, use as a mouthwash. To ease the discomfort of colds and flu accompanied by a headache, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. For cramps, tired feet, back pain, bowel disorders, inflammation, constipation, flatulence, headaches, mental exhaustion, muscular pain, rheumatism, and arthritis, use 3 to 4 drops in 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage on body and or affected area. A carrier oil can be almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, any of the other oils. You mix it with peppermint oil. Don't ever put the peppermint oil or any other essential oil directly on your skin. Always mix it with a carrier oil. For digestive problem and flatulence, use 2 to 3 drops in a carrier oil and massage on back. Can also be used in a compress. For faintness, shock, or vertigo, use 2 to 3 drops in a handkerchief and inhale periodically. Can also be used in a diffuser. To cool a fever, use 2 to 3 drops in a cold compress. For headaches and migraines, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. To fight nausea, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. Can also place a couple of drops on a handkerchief and inhale periodically. To cool sunburn, add 2 to 3 drops to 2 teaspoons of liquid lanolin. Apply to affected area. Can also be used in a cold compress or in a carrier oil. To alleviate travel sickness, use 2 to 3 drops on a handkerchief and inhale periodically. Peppermint oil mixes very well with these oils I'm going to mention right now. These oils are basil, eucalyptus, geranium, grapefruit, juniper, lavender, lemon, myrrh, pine, rosemary, spearmint, tea tree, and wintergreen. Those oils mix very well with peppermint oil. For safety information, avoid peppermint oil if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not use on babies or small children. May cause irritation to sensitive skin. However, it is rare. Do a patch test first before applying in large amounts. Do not use in bath. Should not be used in conjunction with homeopathic remedies, as it will act as an antidote. These are all the uses and ways you can use peppermint oil. I use peppermint oil in my diffuser, and sometimes I will add a few drops in my shampoo when I'm shampooing my hair. I'm not a doctor, I am just telling you the uses and benefits of peppermint oil. I hope you like. Please share, please comment, please subscribe, and always remember, self first. Take care of self. Self is important. Love self plenty. This makeup look, it will be in my YouTube video. This makeup look I just finished, so watch out for it on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye.